Thanks so much, Capri. Here is the precision glue to keep all of the crystals double secure. I'm gonna check it. This one the matte looks, I'm gonna check only when it feels right here is scratchy, then I'm gonna seal it in. Each time you use, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. That's much. You don't want it too much. Little go a long way. And then I will absolutely seal the frame. There's a lot of frames going on, so I'm gonna seal this first on between the edges and the gap, and then I will go back using the brush. The other end of the precision glue gels is the brush, so I will seal it in, like seal completely this.
Hey Lila, so that's called the dual crystal picker.
I want to seal this one, but do not seal on the crystals. I haven't cleared that yet, so I'm going to do that again with our cute hearts. Okay, let me close that needles, because after you feel any scratch, any edges, gap that will catching on the client's hair or their clothes, I would seal and squeeze precision glue. This is really handy too if you are missing one or two stones, you want to add it on. You can absolutely use this on the brush and apply the precision glue. It works the same with our condensed glue gel, but this is just similar. It's a little bit thinner, so it's going nicely. And I'm gonna check this one quick here on the side and put the under the LED light for 60 seconds. Again with this one, using the brush. Clear all of this. And all the beads. Great, so go to the next one, the third nails. Hey, Shayna, thanks so much, love. All right, here for 60 seconds. Last one. There you go. Here for 60 seconds, this one too. And I'm using with precision glue that will be double secured. Such a really good night tonight. I don't know why I'm fascinating. I really like the nails today we did with the matte top coat. I'm so glad. Who's mentioned it, the matte top coat? Then Monday we're gonna do more fall nails, and I want this rose and this centerpiece. I already got it here. So this one, the one we did nice before last, really nice. And this one is the matte top coat, right there. Here is the third nails and the fourth nails. Let me move it closer for both Facebook and Instagram can